You know it's Monday, so it's Vegetarian Day. And today we're going to be making some creamy spinach for the vegetarians that doesn't eat meat. And so with that being said, let's get started. So for our creamy spinach, we have a half a cup of butter. That's real butter. We have our fire on medium. You have electric stove, that's around 7. Now we're going to add our half a cup of onion. Half a cup of, 2 cloves of garlic. Chopped up fine. I'm gonna stir. Garlic and onions, they go together so good. That flavor, togetherness, it's just, oh my God, I love the smell of it when it's cooking. Onions and garlic. And I'm going to give you a little tip. When you're chopping your garlic, run your knife up under some water, and then your garlic will not stick to your knife or your hand. So that's the tip of today from Shorty Bee. Now we're going to pour a half a cup of flour. We want our roux to be thick, not too thick, but we don't want it running. We don't want it to be running. Now we're going to pour in 1 cup of water. I'm going to stir it. Remember guys, we want it to be thick because when we put our spinach in, the spinach is going to make more water. Look at that. Thick, creamy. It's like making a sauce for your spinach. Now we're going to add our bag of spinach. It's going to be a lot, so we're going to smash it in there. Because you know, once it starts cooking, it's going to be slimmed down to nothing. This is 1 bag of spinach. I love the green coloring of the spinach. Now we're going to put the top on for like 5 minutes and we'll be back. Now we're going to turn our fire off And we're going to add a half a tablespoon of salt, a half a tablespoon paprika, a half a tablespoon of seasoning salt. We have our fire off. Now we're going to add our mozzarella cheese. I have 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. Oh my God, it looks so delicious. And we're not going to stir. Fold it. Fold the cheese into the spinach. Look how delicious that looks. The fire is off, guys. The spinach is still hot. And if you feel like that your sauce is a little bit thick, just add some more milk or water. And if you feel like you need some more salt and pepper, add it to your taste. This is your spinach. I'm just showing you the basics. This looks so delicious. We're going to taste it and see what it tastes like. Oh my God, that cheese. Delicious. Okay, I'm going to plate it and I'll be back. Guys, and you know it's Vegetarian Monday, so we're done with our creamy spinach. Now we're going to do the sweet potato pie for the vegetarians. And I have already steamed 2 large sweet potatoes. We have some milk. We have some flour, sugar, vanilla flavor, ground cinnamon, and 2 eggs. Now we're going to pour our sweet potatoes in a bowl. So delicious. Just gonna smash them a little bit. We have 2 tablespoons of flour. We have 3 tablespoons of sugar. Some people use brown sugar, I use regular sugar. We have 2 tablespoons of vanilla flavor. We have 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Now we might have to add more cinnamon at the end, so we'll taste it after we blend it all up. And we have 2 eggs. Now we're going to just fold this in together, everything together. Now we're going to take our blender and blend it all up. We're gonna pop this in the oven we're gonna check on it in 25 minutes. Now our pie is done. Put a scoop of ice cream on top and you're all set. This is your girl Shorty B. Thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel. Please like and subscribe. This is Vegetarian Day with creamy spinach and sweet potato pie.